Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 11 January 2023. Today's my Viva topic is linked list in Java. Linked list in Java is the main concepts in Java object-oriented programming language. This is the Java linked list class. Use the W linked list to state the elements. It's provide the linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract list, inherit the abstract list class and implements list of the DQ interfaces. So the important points of the Java linked list. Java linked list class can contain duplicate elements. The Java linked list class maintain the insertion order. Java linked list class maintain the insertion order, and this is linked list class is not the synchronized. Class is not synchronized in Java linked list class manipulation first, because not shifting needs to the occur in the Java linked list. The Java linked list class can be used a list of the stack of the queue. So this is the linked list is the as a hierarchy of linked list, as shown of the above diagram. Linked list is the diagram. Linked list the abstract sequence list and class implements and list the DQ interface. First is the iterable, next is the collection two parts, convert a list and queue, and a list convert into abstract sequential list or linked list, or queue is the extend the DQ, and next last is the linked list. This is the diagram of the linked list in linked list in the hierarchy of linked list in class. So W linked list is the case of the W linked list. We cannot add elements from the both sides in the working of the W linked list in the linked list. So linked list uses a W linked list to store the elements, provide the linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract class, implements a list of the DQ interface in the linked list. So this is the importance in the Java concepts. Or first, linked list class contain duplicate element. Java linked list class maintain the insertion order to the linked list, or in the Java linked list can manipulate the, because not shifting needs to occur in the linked list in a Java. This is the W linked list or hierarchy linked list in the linked list in Java. So thank you.